what's up? Just arrived to the Uluwatu and it's the kinda new beach, man. Beach itself is probably old, but the new access to the beach is some road here, unfortunately only for bikes or walk, and it's quite windy. I will go down. Basically you can pass only by bike, but that's how it looks the way down. It's about 300 meters maybe. Well, okay, the way down looks like this. Is beautiful cliff as you see, like there, and the beach is there. Whew, somehow I'm on the halfway. I took my drone with me, but it's very windy. I'm not sure if the drone will handle the wind. And check this out, this hill is so big, and even worse, like here. Somebody asked me do you wanna have a ride down? I said, no, down is okay. But I really hope so. That was some animal there. I really hope so they will make somebody give me a lift up. By the way, check this out, this path is really like narrow. I don't know if you can feel the perspective. Now I really understand why they didn't allow to drive a car here. Well, if you have some nice car, for sure it will be no problem, but my Jimny definitely will stuck somewhere here at the corner. 100% no power. Alright, arriving back. I mean down, few bikes over here, and I hear some music there also, so we will see. Alright, just arrived to the beach, and beach looks like this. Here is some small bar. I don't know, first impression is not as spectacular as I was expecting. But yeah, it's still nice. We will see, even the live band there. Yeah, that's how it looks, the beach. Here is some small warung. I think only one warung, at least yet, still. Because, well, as I know, life in the future will be some hotel here or beach club, like a commercial one. Perspective of the beach and the cliff where you have to go. So you park your car somewhere there, which is really big beach. And the beach looks like this. There are rocks and there is more nicer sand, and this is low tide now. Well, as you see, this beach is pretty wild. I mean, like beach and the trees and any other things over here, which is really virgin beach. It's not called virgin like in Karangasem, what some name is virgin and white sand beach. This one is really like a virgin, and check this out. Here is some photo session also. Not so bad. So here is the photo session. And quickly I'm gonna tell you the story of this place, of this beach. This beach is called Nyang Nyang Beach. But I was like on this beach. This beach is actually about maybe 3, maybe even 4 kilometers long, and in the middle is like a small cliff where you cannot pass, rocks, and then it's continue the same beach. And I was like maybe 4 years ago on one of this beach. On the other side, where you go down through the cliff, like this cliffs behind me, like a very small narrow path through the jungle. Even if I'm thinking about that, it's so difficult and so hard. And then you trespass and you have like a field like something here, where is the cliff coming down, and there is like a house and one warung, but that's about 3-4 kilometers that way. And basically I don't know, because the other beach is also called Nyang Nyang. The difference is, as when you arrive from the cliff down, somewhere here is the wreck of the ship with the, well, people making pictures and everything, the name of the Nyang Nyang, but they make a Nyang Nyang name of the beach, this one also. But the big difference is, as they have like a nice road when you can drive bike and park on the bottom, which is much easier. I'm not sure who make this road. Is the investigation in the future for the hotel, or maybe the villagers make the road by their own money, or maybe by government. I really have no idea. However, it's not even parking fee, it's just donation, which is not so bad. And that's how it looks. The beautiful beach is like huge, long, almost empty. I could say it's really hidden paradise and virgin beach in Bali. But yeah, so much talking and so much showing you. It's just the sand and rocks. I will try to fly drone. I hope so the wind is not too strong. I hope so. I'm not gonna lose somewhere in the ocean. Very far in the background, I'm not sure if you can see, is the hotel or villa, and somewhere there is actually the entrance to the other side of this beach. And the beach is so long. It's very similar to the Melasti actually, just totally not commercial, which is actually beautiful. We will see.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Trapped inside, I forgot to look beyond. I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies.
Whew. I flew drone, or well, at least I tried, because the wind is actually quite strong. And I got millions of errors, like a strong wind, altitude error and stuff like this. However, I made a few interesting shots. I hope so you will enjoy it. Anyway, this is just only long, super nice beach. Well, so maybe nothing special, spectacular, but I believe as you will enjoy anyway. And this is the one guy I will have a Radler or Cola or whatever he have, because he found me out as I was hiding there and flying drones. So better still than commercial anyway. Hello Baba, how are you? Oh good, yeah. You have drink?
Yeah, I have.
What drink? Show me.
You want to drink?
Show me what you have.
Beer, water, soup, Sprite.
Can I see here?
Yeah, that.
All right. Okay, I take a Sprite. It's okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Only just one.
Only one. Me only one person.
Yeah, maybe you later one more go up.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Then want to do something, maybe for the
No, thank you so
drink
much.
glasses, maybe.
Thank you so much.
Only for you.
Just drink, okay?
Yeah.
Just had the Sprite with Newman, and he explained me as this beach is actually quite well new. Like I said, beach is probably from the old, but the access to the beach is brand new. It's like maybe 1 year, 1.5 years, and this is actually originally Nyang Nyang beach, but over there, like 2.5, 3 kilometers, he said, is the Nungalan beach or something like this, where is the ship. So for many years that was just the wrong name of the beach where was the ship, but nothing has changed there. There is still very bad path down, and that's why not many people going there. Most of people coming here, but actually as you see the beach is really virgin. I'm only one here. Maybe one day if will be a lot of interest about this video, I will make again video going to Nungalan beach or something like that. Where is the ship? However, will be pretty the same, just the ship will be here somewhere like this. Also this guy here, as you see, he's selling drinks, and he said as he just sold me first drink today and he's going home because he have to walk like 1.5 hour to that direction, and they're going up because she have no access to coming by this side where is the path road and other warung. How's this beach gonna look in the future, near future, in the next few years because, well, obviously Melasti Beach looks similar and Pandava Beach looks similar like 20 years ago. Was just like this one or even less because without path and not so many people. But as you know, the both of these beaches are developed quite well and they are going into more commercialism, and we will see this one is still virgin. I have to say, not so many people, very nice environment as here, as you see. For someone who would like to have a beach just for yourself, just go down, walk like 200 meters into left or into right, doesn't matter, and you have beach just for yourself. Comment below, what do you think about this beach? Would you like to come here? And would you like to spend a day over here? By the way, this picture here with the soft sand and this cactus or whatever it is, the plant, is really like a paradise. Really cool. There are some people here around, as you see. Mostly local people coming after the sunset. Sunset soon, but sunset will be high than summer here. I think I will go home very quickly. I don't wanna stay here till night. And I also need to find someone who's gonna drop me up. Some doggo. That's so bad. Few local people. Also here's the image house, the local people enjoying the beach. As you see, like that. It's actually pretty nice here. Pretty nice. Before I gonna go home, I wanna show you one more shot looks the beach situation. That's the entrance. Only few local people, as you see, really not so many people. And this bar also over here. I will go up. I hope so somebody gonna give me lift. I think the people are staying there and they are waiting for me. I hope so they're not gonna charge me 50k just to go up. They said Ojek available. Ojek is like a guy who gonna bring me up. But it seems like they all go home. And who gonna give me a drive up? Yeah, you wanna drop me up? How much?
25.
Okay, let's go. Yo, what's up, my friend? Okay, 25 without negotiations. I have a good day today. Don't wanna negotiate. Yeah, let's go up, yeah?
We're gonna make it. But mostly it's at the top.
Alright, just arrived to the top, paid 25k for the lift. If you're gonna come by car, definitely worth it. I don't know how long it will take me to go up. I tried to show you the road, but it was really like it's hard to describe. This is our Jimny still driving. Meanwhile, that's it for today. I hope so you enjoyed. If you would like to see other beach over there with the shipwreck ship, let me know. Maybe I will go down from the cliff. I fly high. The cliff is actually about 180 meters. So please let me know in the comment below if you would like me to go down. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care.